Hello, welcome to demonstration of the project templating capabilities of the Mule Control Center. So, creating a project. So that is a capability built into Studio, but it does have some significant issues. So I will be demonstrating. So you can do new project from template. So far, so good. It's actually pretty nice. You get a UI. Let me resize this so that it fits. So you get a nice UI where you can list all the different kinds of templates, and then you can just select a template of your choice. So let's pick this one, for example, and then you can just open it. Okay, so it's now open. So up to here, it was nice. That's as far as it gets. Now it becomes really not very nice because it's not really a templating system. There is no ability to provide any kind of parameters and have the template to be tailored based on those parameters. Like, for example, a project ID or even a project name, which are two very, very basic things you would expect from a template system. No, it's literally, in fact, the example and the templates are exactly the same. I don't even know why they created different ones. When you create from a template, it's actually just a zip file, and all it does is unzips it. So then you have to go and change things all over the place. So you'd have to go here, change the artifact ID, say, my project, and then you have to hope that no developer will actually forget to change some things which are important. So for example, log4j is a very good example. So I've had a project where way further down the line, I suddenly noticed there was like 10 different APIs that were all logging to my skeleton.log because the developers weren't aware or forgot that they had to come here and also change this. So my log, so that it would, my project.log. Something like this, anyway. So they weren't aware or they forgot, and then everything was logging to the same place or anywhere else. Not just that, but for example, you can only use this to create a project in your workspace. So if, like me, you don't like the workspace, you prefer things to have in its own different project, a different folder, tough luck, doesn't do it. Not only that, but there's no actually even ability to rename the folder. You can't actually even rename the folder, short of removing the project and then re-importing it. So if you use the template 50 times, you'll go to your workspace and you'll see my template -1, my template -2, that template -3. It's a nightmare. So it's really sad because this isn't even as good as Maven archetypes, and Maven archetypes aren't even that good in themselves, but this is way worse. So that's why I end up creating the template capabilities, which is the Genesis templating system, which I've incorporated into the Mule Control Center. So I will be demonstrating. So we have here the Mule Control Center and a project section. So here I can create a project and I can pass parameters. So my project, group ID, my org. So far, this is actually kind of similar to what you'll see in Maven archetypes, but the templating system itself is much more powerful. And this is demonstrating, for example, with conditional parameters. So in here, if I disable, for example, API project, that affects the template. Or if I turn it on, or I can do override API name. So the templates can be very, very powerful. Things which are not possible with Maven archetype, like conditional files. So you cannot do in Maven based on a parameter file existing or not, which is really sad. So that's why I created the Genesis templating system, and here, as you can see, so I can now create the project. So right now, this project creation will just allow me to download the project that's been created. In the future, it will actually include version control integration. So it will directly go create a repository in your version control and transfer all the generated project into that repository. So all you need to go is actually go to your GitHub or whatever and check out your project, and you're good to work. So, and as you can see, we now have a download button and it's created. So if you come in here, you will see it has created and automatically replaced. So everything that is parameterizable is now properly parameterized. So as you can see, my project. So that's it for now. I'm still working on the template to make it much more powerful and extendable, to be able to automatically include best practice third-party technologies and make it really, really good. So that's all for now. I will be demonstrating more capabilities as they are ready. Thank you for watching this video. Have a good day.